Welcome to Food for Thought. Let's find out more about Boxty. Boxty is a traditional Irish potato pancake. The most popular version of the dish consists of finely grated raw potato and flour. An old Irish rhyme is Boxty on the griddle, Boxty on the pan. If you can't make Boxty, you'll never get a man. The name Boxty is not very common. It probably derives from the Irish word Boxty, or Aran Bochty, which translates to poor house bread. It was a celebratory dish and not, as so many writers have mistakenly claimed, a famine dish. Boxty is a potato pancake which is basically fried grated potato, similar to a hash brown. Subscribe to Food for Thought. Half the potatoes are grated, and the other half are mashed to make up part of the binder that holds it all together. Traditionally made with 70% potato to 30% other ingredients. Ingredients include mashed potato, grated potato, flour, salt, baking powder and buttermilk. The mixture should be like a very firm thick batter, almost like a dough. Flattened and shaped into a nice round pancake. Fried until golden brown on the bottom. Boxty has been a staple food in Ireland since the 1700s. Though enjoyed year-round, Boxty is traditionally served on St. Bridget's Day. St. Bridget is probably the best known and most beloved Irish saint after St. Patrick. She was an Irish nun, abbess, and founder of several convents. Her feast day, St. Bridget's Day, on February 1st is also the first day of spring in Ireland. Traditionally they were served with freshly churned butter, a nod to St. Bridget, patron saint of dairy. They can also be served with a sprinkling of scallions or green onions, with bacon and eggs, smoked salmon, or with honey for a sweet variation. In Ireland, Boxty is so big that there are entire restaurants dedicated to it. Boxty is so versatile, it can be served for breakfast, lunch or supper. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our channel for more fun foodie facts.